welcome back. I'd now like to show you a little bit of soft sculpture. This is basically just another trash can pound up that we did. We filled it up a little bit more than halfway, piled up a little bit of sand on top. I'm not quite sure what I want to make yet, but I'm beginning to refine it down to sort of an old man with a beard. So I'll get going on this and I'll explain exactly how the soft sculpture is carried out. It's very similar to the architectural stuff that I showed you earlier. So I'll go ahead and think on this and try and figure out where I want what to go and start working away here. I think I want to have them looking over this way. Want the hair to be on top. Get his nose in here. See, the scale is rather large right now. If this is his nose, this dude is real big. Now we sort of carve back, keep taking it in. Soft sculpture is one of the most difficult things for me anyway. Some people I've worked with find it much easier. For me, it's been a real challenge, and I'm continuing to try and develop my skills in this area. Okay. Beard starting to show up around here. Sort of the cheek over here. Some of the artists I've worked with are so incredibly talented. They totally amaze me. I strive to someday get even remotely close to their ability level. Got a rock here. I have to do a little rockectomy on his face. So I'll push that back in. Okay. Got the hair. Let's see, we got a mustache around here. How would that work? Okay, it's coming over. This needs to be farther back in. Got a little bit of the mustache going here. Some kind of wrinkles going on here. Okay, let's add a little more to the brains of our old man on the sea here. What we'll do is just take some of this sand, trying to get some that's wet. And we'll just add a little bit more to the top of the dude here. The challenge is with doing soft sculpture, especially with recognizable subject matter like a face, if you do it and it's not right, you know it's not right. But knowing what to change is the challenge. Knowing what to add, what to take away. Is the relationships right? Is the balance right? It's a real challenge. And it's a lot of fun too. I think when you're starting out, that you're not worried too much about all this stuff. Just have some fun, make faces, see the different, the way the eyes fit, and just notice as you're working what looks right to you, and then just keep practicing. Soft sculpture is an area that I'm having a lot more fun in. I'm trying it and being more and more daring, and just trying to see what I come up with. Certainly I could use more study of anatomy, but this gives you a basic idea of how you just rough out a face. It's sort of an old man look. I'm going to get some more water and moisten this up, and I'll add a little bit more material over here. See if we can get them looking a little bit more lifelike. But overall, it's a pretty good little sculpture. pretty good start anyway. So I'll just continue to work on this. Trying to get the eyes to match up. Looks pretty good, pretty close. You can kind of tap them back a little bit. Let's get that edge sharpened up again. Put my coat back on because it's getting a little chilly again here this afternoon. Beautiful day though, the sun came out. It was wonderful, really neat. A little winky thinky over here. Winky thinky. Folks, I'm getting very creative now with my terminology. One winky thinky. Oh, this is a winky thinky right over here. Down. Down. Make sure we get the pupil and the iris, that dark shadow all about the same. Well, I think we're getting there. Just enough here to establish a basic idea of what it is we made. I think we've done that pretty well. Put a little more fold, couple more folds in the back of the hair here. Trying to figure out what kind of emotion your subject is trying to depict is another challenge. I don't quite know what kind of emotion this guy's got. So rather a curious gaze. Okay. Okay. When you've completed your sculpture, you can dig around the base of it and bring it all out into a whole new form. We could actually build the shoulders up over here on the sides of this prince, medieval wizard type of a person. And if you can see, we could begin to build some kind of a shoulder here, if we wanted to. Carry it over here. Maybe have it so his head is turned a little bit. So he's looking to his right. Which is interesting. Keep the piece that you're working on moving, and showing movement is a real challenge. Carry the hair down if you wanted to. This guy's got a big old beard over here. And the hair's coming down. You can kind of see that a little bit. Okay. Well, we finished this old dude, just enough to at least give you an idea a little bit about what the soft sculpture aspect is of the art. He's kind of a cute guy, isn't he? Now, all of you out there who have training experience in anatomy, please forgive me. I know it's probably not perfect. We got the beard going here and the nose. We pushed back in for the eyes, trying to match both sides. Looks like we did a pretty good job of that. The hair is kind of interesting. It's very long and sort of like Robin Hood style or something. We added you can quickly add sand around the base of your work to really give it a massive scale. In fact, this is some really fast stuff you can do with just a shovel and wet sand and start packing it up in a big pile and doing incredible things with it. I'd like to show you the last technique or the last little trick that I've played around with, and that is making hollow sand sculpture. Let's take a look at that.